Imagine opening your iPhone calculator and people might think you are actually calculating numbers, but you are secretly chatting with someone, maybe your friend or a loved one. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your iPhone calculator so you can use it to private chat anyone you want to chat with. But don't forget, please, this is for educational purposes only. But before we hit the record screen, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos.
Okay, guys, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your calculator. Remember, I told you you'll be using calculator to do this. So open your calculator. So at the right hand corner, at the top right, you click on that calculator icon. So go ahead and click on Math Notes. So on this Math Note, so go ahead and click on Edit, close to the search bar. Then you can type whatever you want to type. Let me say, I love you. Love you, Jenny. So once you're done typing whatever you want to type, just go ahead and click on share button. So mainly with this, you can use AirDrop for this to connect with anybody that you want to chat with. So you can click on the AirDrop and you have to connect with the person. So once you guys are connected, you can start chatting. Even you don't even need data on this. You can see nobody found because there's nobody here that can connect with. So you connect with the business partner or anybody you want to chat with. Once you're done, you connect with them. Once you connect with them, so you can be chatting with them through the calculator, and that's how you keep your chat secret and nobody will be able to find you. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. See you in the next video.